How to fix this account can no longer use WhatsApp due to spam. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can fix if your number has been banned by WhatsApp. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, confirm your ban message. If you open up WhatsApp and if you see an error message saying that this account can no longer use WhatsApp, then that usually means your account is permanently banned for the policy violations such as sending too many messages to unknown numbers and getting reported multiple times. So in such case, you may have the right to appeal the decision. Once you're on the ban screen, if you can't find an option as request a review button, then tap on it. After that, you have to provide all of the detailed information to support your case. So provide clear and correct information. After that, submit your appeal. Then WhatsApp will review and respond via the WhatsApp application within 24 to 48 hours. But in case if you cannot find the request review button, or if the appeal does not work for you, then you have to contact to WhatsApp's support. Head over to your browser, open up Google, and in the search bar, type in WhatsApp contact. Go to the first link on your interface. Scroll down. You can choose one option to contact the WhatsApp. So under the WhatsApp support, tap on contact us. Then you have to fill in your phone number with your country code. After that, explain your situation properly. And you could also attach the screenshot of the ban message. After that, you have to wait for the response. WhatsApp will typically reply within 24 to 72 hours via email. If your appeal is accepted, your account will be restored automatically. But in case if your account is not restored, then the only option you have is to create WhatsApp with a different number, and that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.